In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get LinkedIn profile URL. Your LinkedIn profile link is the clean, professional web address that takes people straight to your profile. It's perfect for resumes, job applications, email signatures, and anywhere you want to make it easy for others to learn more about you. I'll walk you through two simple ways to find it on desktop, and I'll add helpful pointers so you can copy it confidently without missing anything. First, make sure you're signed in to LinkedIn in your web browser. Starting from the LinkedIn homepage, head to your profile by clicking your name or your profile picture at the top of the page. That opens your profile page where you'll see your header with your photo, headline, and location. Now, look just below that header area for the contact info section. Click contact info to open a small window. Inside that window, you'll see an item labeled Your Profile URL. This is the direct link to your LinkedIn profile. Highlight that link carefully, then copy it. On most computers, you can press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac, or you can right-click and choose Copy. Once copied, you can paste it into a document, a message, or an application form. A quick tip, after you paste it somewhere, click the link to make sure it opens your profile correctly. That way you'll know you grabbed the full address without missing any characters. If you prefer another route, there's a second method that starts the same way. From your profile page, look over to the right side of the screen for the option labeled Edit Public Profile and URL. Click that to open your public profile settings. In the top right corner of this page, you'll see your LinkedIn profile URL displayed clearly. Select it and copy it just like before. This link is the one you'll want to use anywhere you share your professional presence, from a PDF resume to an email signature or a portfolio website. A couple of quick best practices before we wrap up. Keep your link handy in a notes app or a dedicated document so you can paste it quickly when needed. And remember, you never need to share any private account information, only the public profile link. That's all there is to it. You now have two straightforward ways to find and copy your LinkedIn profile URL so you can share it confidently wherever it counts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more LinkedIn tips and tutorials.